So this is working with formulas. This is not necessarily proportion math here. So this says the formula for power in watts is P equals I squared times R. Find the current I, which represents amperes, if a device draws 63 watts and the resistance R is 7 ohms. So this is kind of probably something you may see in circuits or in one of your electrical classes. So one of the things we can do in this problem is we're looking for I. So what I can do is rewrite the problem as I squared times R equals P. And what I can do is solve this problem for I without substituting in. So what I can do is get rid of the R by dividing both sides by an R, because anytime you divide something by itself, it'll go away. So what I have now is I squared equals P over R. And to get rid of a power of 2, the inverse of squaring is what's called the square root. So if you use the square root symbol, you can take the square root of both sides, and then square and square root cancel each other out, and you have I equals the square root of P over R. So what I can do is just substitute in this formula the square root of, and the power it draws was 63 watts, and the resistance was 7. Well, we know 63 divided by 7 is 9. And what can you square and get 9? So the square root of, again, the square root of 9, what that's asking is, what value can you actually square and get 9? Well, 3 squared would equal 9. So the square root of 9 would equal then this 3. Because if you go backwards, 3 squared equals 9, because the inverse of square root is squaring. So that does check out. So that would just be a 3. So if I wanted to, I can actually solve this problem for I to begin with, and then just substitute into a new formula. So in a lot of problems, if especially if you had a lot of them, it would be a good idea to develop your brand new formula to do this.